Question 9. Lillian works 7 hours each day for 5 days a week. She earns £420 each week. How much does she earn per hour? Well, if we could work out how many hours she works, so 7 hours times by 5 days means she works 35 hours. So if she got paid 420 for all of those hours, if we do 420 divided by 35, we'll be able to work out how much she gets paid for each hour. To do that, quickly I will put some 35 times tables over here. So 35, 70, 105, 140, 175. We can use that now to do some calculations. So 35 into 4, no times. 35 into, carry the 4 over, 42 goes once. 1 times 35 is 35. We had 42, which means we have 7 left over. So you put 7 there in front of 0. 35 into 70, well, you can see that's 2 of them, nothing left over. So the answer there is 12. B. Lillian decides that she is going to work 7 hours each day for only 4 days a week. So her earnings are to be reduced by 20%. Lillian thinks this is a reasonable reduction. Explain why a reduction of 20% is reasonable. Okay, so let's look at how many hours she's actually going to work. She's going to work 7 times 4, which equals 28. She thinks she should get a 20% reduction in her pay, so we need to check whether she had a 20% reduction in her hours. 20% of the original amount of hours she worked, 35, equals 7, and 28 is actually 7 hours less than 35, so her hours have reduced by 20%, so her pay should also reduce by 20%, and that is your working out. Your working out is your explanation. How much will Lily earn working 4 days a week? Well, we said she's going to work 28 hours for a 4-day week. We know the pay is constant, so we do 28 times 12. 10 times 28 is 280. 2 lots of 28 are 56. Add those together, and you get £336.